Hi, I'm Kyle Benavides and I'm going to teach you how to get the inverse matrix of this matrix. In order to find the inverse matrix of this, we need to find first the cofactor matrix. In finding the cofactor matrix, you need to find first the minors of each. I'll show you how to get the minors of row 1, column 1, this one. First step is to delete the ith row and jth column of the matrix. Then compute the determinant of the remaining matrix. I'll show you like this. First, let's delete now this one and this one. So the remaining matrix is 1, negative 1, 0, negative 2. Next, let's find their determinant. 1 times negative 2 minus 0 times negative 1 equals negative 2 minus 0. So, the minor of row 1, column 1 is negative 2. To find the minor of 2, let's just use the same procedure we used. Now that I have solved the remaining minors of this matrix, let's combine them to build a new matrix that will be called the minor matrix. First, this one, row 1, column 1, it's negative 2. Second, it's 1. Third, 0. This one, 0, is negative 4. 1 is negative 3. Negative 1 is 2. Negative 1 is negative 1. 0 is negative 1. Negative 2 is 1. Don't be confused. I just get the determinant of the remaining matrix after I deleted its ith row and jth row column. Okay. So the new minor matrix is this one. To find the cofactor matrix, we need to use this formula for finding the cofactor matrix. Negative 1 raised to I times j times its minor. But I'm going to teach you how to get the cofactor matrix without using this kind of formula. Now I'm going to teach you the simplest way to get the cofactor matrix. First step is to create another matrix that has the same size of your minor matrix. But our minor matrix have a 3 by 3 size. So let's create a 3 by 3 matrix, which consists of full ones. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. After putting all the ones, put their signs. Their signs have a pattern like this: positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, and so on and so forth. After creating this matrix, you need to times this matrix to your minor matrix. So, negative 2 times positive 1 is equals to negative 2. 1 times negative 1 is equals to negative 1. 0 times 1 is equals to 0. Negative 4 times negative 1 is 4. Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. 2 times negative 1 is 2. Negative 2. Negative 1. Negative 1. 1. 1. So, now, this is your cofactor matrix. After getting the cofactor matrix, the step 2 in finding the inverse matrix is to make the adjoint matrix. To find the adjoint matrix, you will need this cofactor matrix. Now, let's find the adjoint matrix using the cofactor matrix. In finding the cofactor matrix, you'll just need to reverse the cofactor matrix by making the rows will be column and column will be rows. I'll show you. -2, -1. Instead of putting -1 beside the -2, we'll just put it below. Also, for the 0. Then, for -3, -2, -1, 1, 1. Then, after getting the adjoint matrix, let's find the inverse matrix. The formula for inverse matrix is adjoint matrix over the determinant of the matrix, the original. First, let's get the determinant of this one. Let's use the basket method to find the determinant of this. The basket method is easy. Like, I'll show you how to use the basket method. It's only -1 times 1 times -2 is -2. 2 times -1 times -1 is +2 plus -1 times 0 times 0 equals 0 minus the reverse diagonal. -1 times 1 times -1 is 1 plus 0 times -1 times 1 is 0 plus -2 times 2 times 0 is 0. 0 minus 1 is equals to -1. Therefore, the determinant of this is -1. Now, all we need is complete. So, let's substitute it in the equation. Now that we have the given values, the determinant, and the adjoint matrix, we can now solve for the inverse matrix. We have the solution of adjoint matrix over the determinant of the matrix. Adjoint matrix, -2, 4, -1, -1, -3, 1, 0, -2, 1. Over the determinant is -1. -2 divided by -1 is 2. 4 divided by -1 is -4. You just have to divide it all by -1. 0, 2, and -1. Where? There it is. You have now solved the inverse matrix of the matrix. So you have this one. Told you, it's easy.
I will be teaching you how to solve the inverse of a matrix using calculator. First, press mode, then 6, then 1, then 1 for 3x3 matrix. Input all the values. Then press on, then press shift, then press 4, recall matrix A, press 3, then express the inverse sign equals. This is our final answer, same as earlier.